Good morning, everyone. I'm Lori with Behavior Education at Spirit Keeper Equine Sanctuary. Today is Monday, April 20th, 2020. Welcome to another episode of Where Did I Get That Name? I am joined today by Cessna. She is our 7-year-old Lampropeltis alterna, or Gray Banded Kingsnake. And she gets her name from the aircraft manufacturing company Cessna. You may have heard of them because they produce several different kinds of aircraft, the most popular and the most widely known being the Cessna 172, which was first produced in 1956 and became the most produced aircraft in history. Everybody, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, please remember to always be kind and love your animals.